Welcome, friends, to day 17 of Affiliate Marketing for Digital Products. And today we are going to talk on one of the most interesting topic and one of the most useful topic, that is why LinkedIn and how do we promote on LinkedIn. Okay, so let's start with very basic, that is why LinkedIn. Just as Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn also is one of the best social media platforms from where you can get premium customers. All the corporates and business are definitely having their profile on LinkedIn. We need to remember that. And that is the reason it definitely has a good premium customers whom you can rely on to, whom you can collaborate sometimes, or you can have a good business deal as well. Okay, so yeah, we cannot ignore LinkedIn platform. uh, Getting customers from LinkedIn is comparatively a slow process, but whichever customers you get, they are going to be the high conversions for you. Okay, so yeah, we cannot ignore LinkedIn. Now, yeah, definitely when you're starting with LinkedIn, first important point is you need to have your own profile. Okay. And when I say that you need to have your profile, you need to make sure it's a complete profile with all possible details about you, your services, your company. Everything is mentioned in a good quality way. Okay, so whatever are the distinct points about your services, that goes on LinkedIn. How you are different, that goes on LinkedIn. uh, Make sure that the images especially that you use on LinkedIn, you cannot compromise on it. Okay, just as your website or any other post, LinkedIn is something which you have to be double sure of. Okay, uh, you cannot spam your LinkedIn profile, so it's definitely not recommended that you just keep on posting on regular basis. But just decide on a schedule, maybe twice in a week or once in a week, when you give some good posting having very good content. Okay, uh, just motivational thoughts or one liners is not going to work in LinkedIn. You need to be very careful on that part. Make sure your write-ups actually has a lot of sense. Okay, so yeah, have good write-ups. When you are writing the write-ups, that is along with the post, when we are writing the detailed description of the post, that needs to be also attractive. It's not only the image, but also your write-up needs to be attractive. So make sure you use some bullets, you decorate it well. Unfortunately, we do not have the font option where we select the font, but yeah, use right emojis. Do not go for wrong emojis. Be careful by using emojis. Don't overuse emojis, but yeah, for example, on approximately 12 words can have one emoji. Okay, that should be the ratio approximately. So make sure that they are placed well, they are rightly used. And whatever are your old posts, if you feel that they have not been seen because earlier you had less number of followers, you can repost them, you can rebuffer them. Okay, you can resend it, and you can again spread it to everyone saying this was something I shared once upon a time, but I find it really useful, so I'm resending. Okay, so it's not mandatory that you just keep on creating something new. You can even forward off someone else, you can do that. But the only criteria is it needs to be helpful. Okay, so yeah, this is something, some basic points on by how we grow on LinkedIn. Few more to go. When you start on your LinkedIn platform, you can definitely ask your well wishers, followers, or your company members, or anyone who are connected to you, to make sure that they also help you in supporting the growth in your LinkedIn platform. Okay, so whatever postings you do, ask them also to support you for couple of days or months in terms of comments, likes, and as far as possible, keep it more interactive. Okay, and when you start on LinkedIn, once you start, then have your LinkedIn URL promoted in all other social platforms as well. Okay, so that others are aware that yes, you have started your profile, and if they want good quality details about with respect to business or something, they can actually follow you on LinkedIn as well. They need to be aware, so you will have to ask it, right? Add all the social media buttons on your website. One of the most important factor which sometimes we miss out: do not miss any of the social media icons. Each and every social media icon, whatever you're doing, make sure they're there on your website so that people can click on it and they can start following you. Okay. Whenever possible, whenever you have some time, when you're going through LinkedIn other profiles, check for the good posts related to your niche and start commenting on them. When you comment on them, people observe you, people start realizing, okay, you're also there onto the platform, and by this you'll see slowly one to followers start increasing into your profile. So yes, start commenting. It's one of the most powerful tool, and that too, don't just comment for the sake of commenting. Make sure that it has some value, it needs to have some meaning, right? Whatever new host events that you're hosting, they needs to be start promoting them on LinkedIn platform as well. Okay, so when you drive lot of events via LinkedIn, you will see that again that is one of the source by which you can start increasing your followers. Yeah. Another point, now this is more from strategic perspective. Make sure that yeah, when especially when it's about LinkedIn, you need to have longer texts. Okay, so plan out a structure on which you will be always writing the components, whatever you're writing. It can be in terms of a small blog, or it can be along with image, some post. But whatever you're writing, just structure it so that it makes more sense to the audience. Okay, tag the people whom you are connected to, okay, related to the post, not randomly. Suppose you're posting about an event, so there may be few more people who are working for that event along with you. Tag all those people. Okay, so your reach becomes more wider. Okay, yes, as any other platform, even in LinkedIn, when you're posting videos, you go viral. Okay, so please go for videos, and be very specific on what can be the strategic plan for 2020. That should be your unique selling point. Okay, that is going to make you different from anyone else. So make sure of all these points and just observe. You will find yourself having a lot of followers, continuously growing on LinkedIn platform. I'll quickly summarize. First, make sure on the content part, you need to focus more on the content with respect to your description, your profiling. Have good images, as we always have been emphasizing on this very regularly. Make sure that your content, whatever you're writing, it is good, it's well organized, it has a good right amount of emojis, and if there are some old posts which has lesser reach, repost them. Okay. Next, spread across. How do we spread? Ask your family, friends, your all the well wishers to promote you, to support you, to comment and to interact on all the posts that you are submitting. Okay. Promote. You yourself need to promote your link on all the social media platforms. Okay. You need to make others aware that you are present in LinkedIn as well. Add the social media buttons onto your website. Start commenting on the post which are related to your niche. Post couple of events on LinkedIn platform. Have longer contents. Tag people who are related to the post. Tag them. Uh, at the same time, when you're tagging, you need to make sure that they will not have any issues. Okay. I missed the point. When you're tagging people, they need to be aware that they are being tagged and they should not have any objections against it. Okay. Have a lot of videos onto your page. Build a 2020 strategy. See how you can be unique. And that will be your key selling point. Okay. So, yeah, that's all about LinkedIn. If any queries or any suggestion from your side, make sure to comment so that that can also help others to grow on this platform. So, thank you, everyone. Stay tuned for the next session tomorrow. That is day 18. Till then, goodbye.